The Cline Center for Advanced Social Research has a large repertoire of data so that researchers at any level can have access to high-quality statistics and documents. From datasets on coup activity around the world to tracking the use of police force nationally, the Cline Center is committed to providing nonpartisan data that will be used by the changemakers. Archer, developed by the Cline Center, is the access point for the Global News Index, the Cline Center's repository of textual features extracted from millions of news stories, specifically designed to provide comprehensive coverage of events around the world. This is a beginner's guide on how to use Archer to access the Cline Center's Global News Index. For more information, you can find more extensive video guides on our website, as well as user manual and quick start guides linked on our website and on the Illinois Data Bank. Archer offers a user-friendly interface with icons and drop-down menus for query building, as well as a raw query option for advanced users using Lucene syntax. Archer also enables users to create facets, visualize results, and conduct complex, large-scale queries through its API system. If you are new to using a database as extensive as the Global News Index and want to understand how to access it via Archer, then this video is for you. The repository contains quite literally millions of news stories from sources including the BBC, the Wall Street Journal, and the New York Times, and Archer provides a space to explore these resources. Let's go over some of the terms you will see while navigating Archer. Archer's dashboard includes the space for people to manage collections and snapshots. Collections store interrelated snapshots, and snapshots contain your query and any facets on it. When you want to search for something in a database, your search is called a query. More formally, a query is a request for information or data from a database. In Archer, your query can include various parameters, including specific dates with the date query, specific sources through the nominal field query, and a number range for numerical data searches. These parameters allow you to search for more specific information in both titles and contents of the articles in the database. You can further specialize your query with facets. Facets cluster search results into certain categories and then visualize the results. And they also allow you to see the distribution of your data. Facets generate graphs based on sentiment, bar graphs, histograms, and pie charts, so you can visualize your data in a way that best suits your needs. Before creating any query, you will need to create a collection where your queries and snapshots will be stored. As previously mentioned, snapshots are what store your queries and their facets. And you will also have to be sure to save your queries as you work on them so that when you log out of the program, you can find them again later. You run a query in your dashboard, and it may take a few moments for it to generate all articles that fit in your parameters. Once they are generated, you can view article titles, publication dates, and download the data as a TSV file. Please note that you will only be able to see extracted features and metadata of the articles and not the full text. There are endless possibilities to how you can use Archer, whether it's by searching for key terms in article headlines in France from the past 5 years, or evaluating the sentiment value of articles published by a specific outlet. Archer has the tools to create sophisticated queries. The Global News Index is a vast repository of news stories, curated to offer extensive and in-depth coverage of global events. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video to better understand and learn about the research capabilities of Archer and the Global News Index. As previously mentioned, you can find more resources and information online on the Cline Center's website, and make sure to keep up with the Cline Center and any updates to Archer by following us on LinkedIn, X, and Blue Sky. Happy searching, and thank you again for watching.